Welcome to Domino English Lessons. Here we improve our English through everyday conversations and real-life situations. In this conversation, two friends spend time together at home, sharing tea, chatting, and making each other feel welcome. Let's watch A Visit to a Friend's Home.
Hello, thank you for inviting me to your home today.
You're welcome. Please come inside. This is the living room. It looks nice. You have many books here. Yes, I love reading. I also have some tea and cookies. Would you like some? Yes, please. I would like a cup of tea. Sure. The cookies are fresh. Do you need a plate? Yes, I need a plate. Thank you. I will put the cookies on the table. Everything looks very comfortable. I'm glad you like it. Do you want to see my room? Yes, I want to see your room. Let's go.